Now, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. How to solve the problem number 76 by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a straight line capital PQ, 80 mm long, appears to a length of 50 mm and is inclined at 30 degrees to XY line in this profile view. Draw its projections when its end point capital P is 15 mm above HP and 60 mm in front of VP. The point Q is nearer to the observer than P. Point Q is nearer to the VP than P. So to do that, so here first we'll go for AutoCAD screen, then switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now the command is limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all. Then go to line, select arbitrary point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And again you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And go to offset, go to 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side and then offset 290. Now you just click on this and you offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extend, zoom 0.7x. Go to fillet between these two. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to fillet between these two. So once you do that, now we go for layers. Go to layer. So here we need to create the front view, top view, true length, and the front view, top view, true length, and side view. So to do that, so come down to layer, click on new layer, go to create this by XY, then go to layer, create a locus layer, click on new, type the layer front view, then click on new, type the layer by name top view, and click on new, type the layer by name true length, then click on new, type the layer by name side view, enter. So now first we'll go for XY line, locus line type, go click on load, type center dash dot and say OK, and click on dash dot and say OK. So once you fix that layer, then go to layer 0, make it as 0.05 because all the projector lines will be on 0. XY line is 0.13. Then the locus line should be again 0.05. Then the front view should have 0.5. Then the top view should also have 0.5. And then the true length will going to have 0.3. Then we have side view, default is 0.5. Okay. Then go to side view, make it green. Then the true length should have the true length is index color 30. Okay. Then we have the top view as red. Then the front view as magenta. Then locus line dash dot, it is there. XY line should have 0.13. So this is how you will be able to create these layers. Now we will going to close this layer control dialog box. Now first we are going to draw the XY line and X1, Y1 line. So to do that, first go to line, draw a horizontal line of any distance, and again you take line or vertical line of any distance. So once you do that, so I need to take 15 mm and 60 mm. So go to offset, take this distance as 15, take the distance as 15. So from here, similarly, when you take up this, offset 60 mm. So go to offset 60 mm. So select this and draw this. Then we draw a line between these two. Then go to line, take nearest. So line, take nearest point on this. Take the nearest point on this. So then we have from here to here. So go to line, take nearest point on this and drop perpendicular to this. So you're going to get this point. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. So once you get this, now we need to write the profile view for this particular point. So to do that, so first we'll go for line, take int of this and take at the rate 200 less than minus 45. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So now we have the fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Once you do that, then go to break this line till here and then erase it. Then go to erase. Then here, then go to line. So angle 30 degree with respect to XY line. So go to line, take int of this at the rate 50 less than 150 degrees. At the rate, so here we have 50 less than minus 150. At the rate 50 less than line int of this, the rate 50 less than 150 degrees. So you're going to get this. So you take the front view, the locus, then go to line, take int of this and draw one more locus here. So we get this. Once you get this, so you take fillet between these two. So now we get this locus line here and we need to start rotating it. So to do that, so we have the locus points. So we have the true length of 80 mm. So here actually the true length of 80 mm is given. So you just come down to this, go to circle, take int of this, take the radius 80. Again go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this. So we got this line. Then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Then go to erase. So again you just come down to circle, take int of this, take the radius 80. Then go to break. So break this circle here and here. Then go to erase, then go to line, take int of this, take intersection point of this. So we have the top view and the front view. So once you do that, so now we have the top view and we have the front view. So this is the true length in the front view and also the true length in the top view. So both are 80. So we can see here both are 80 mm. So once you do that, now we need to go for the true length. So to do that, so we're going to project this line from here, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So now it is parallel to VP. Once you do parallel to VP and go to circle, take int of this and take int of this. So here you are going to get trim. So then go to line, take int of this and take int of this. So once you do that, now we need to trim. So go to trim between this vertical line and this horizontal line and you trim these two portions. Once you do that, so you're going to get it, erase. So we have got this, so we have got the true length in the top view now. So that is once you project this true length, you're going to get the top view. So you got the top view now. Similarly, you project this and you get the front view. So to do that, so we have the top view and we need to take so since it is parallel to HP, so you just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So once you do that, so what we are projecting is we are projecting this line and then draw the arc. So to do that, then go to circle, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and similarly take int of this line. Then we get this. So here you just go to trim between this line and then object to trim is this and object to trim is this. Then go to erase this line, then go to zoom window, you take it near to the screen, and then go to break this line till here, and you break this line till here. Once you do that, then we need to go to the xy and x1 y1 line. Now we need to go for break this line till here, and similarly you break this line till here. So now we need to break somewhere here, and similarly somewhere here. So now we need to set the layers now. So to go to this, so just you switch on these two, which is the true lens, then go to layer, make that as TL. So once you do that, so you come down to line by display, then you click on this, go to layer, make this layer as side view, then escape. Now we need to go for this, click on this, go to layer, and make that layer as top view. So again you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as front view. So now this is how we will be able to create the drawing. So you just click on this and you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as XY. So now all these things has been done. Now we go for the projections. So how to do the projections? So to do that, first we are going to take this and do this projection. So to do that, then go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units, linear dimension, you make it 0, angular dimension is already there, and then go to text height is 3, then align with the dimension line, and then go to vertical centered above, then you have the offset from the dimension line as 2, then go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then you click on lines, take the offset from the origin as 2 and say OK and say close. Now once you do that, now we want to project this as the so to do that, first you go to leader, take nearest on this, you draw a vertical annotation option. Again you just go to leader, take nearest point, and you click on this and you drag this annotation option. Then go to explode these two. Then go to erase, and similarly erase. So now once you do that, now we need to rotate this. And then go to line, take nearest point on this. So you just switch off, put on the layer ortho on. So here, go to leader, take nearest on this, and you just click over this and you take it out. Annotation option. So then go to switch off this, then go to leader, take nearest on this now. So you're going to have annotation option. Then go to explode between these two. Then go to erase this line and erase this line. So once you do that, now we have this here. So again we need to project this from here. Go to leader, take nearest, switch on the ortho mode. So take this in this direction, annotation option. Then again go to leader, take nearest on this, go to annotation option. Then go to leader, take nearest. So you take this annotation option. Then go to leader, take nearest on this, take annotation options. Then go to explode. You explode between these two and explode between these two. So once you do that, then go to erase it here. Similarly, you erase this and you erase this. Now we need to write the text. So before writing the text, you just go to this and go to this, go to layer, make that layer as locus layer, and go to line type scale factor. We're going to take 10. So this is how you will be able to execute this. Now we will going to write the naming. So to do that, we should have P dash, Q dash, PQ. So first we'll go for the text. Select this arbitrary point, take height as 3, Now you take capital X and this as capital Y, this as capital X1, and this as capital Y1. Now we need to go for VP. This is VP, and this is HP, and this is RPP. Then we have the names of this PQ, PQ. So here you take names of capital P, and here also capital P. So this is capital Q, and this is capital Q, and here we want locus of Q, and here we want locus of Q. Now we need to write P dash, then we have Q dash, then we have small p, and you have small q. Then we have P double dash, and this will going to be Q double dash. Then we have Q1 dash coming down to Q1. So to do that, so you just come down to Q1 dash, then come down to Q1, and this will going to be Q. Similarly, you just go to Q2, then come down to Q2 dash, and that will have Q dash. So this is how we will be able to write the text. So then we go to DDIM, then go to modify, then go to offset from the origin as 2. Then we have symbols, arrow size, text 3, align with the dimension line. So everything is fine. And then go to close. Now we need to write the dim, then come down to intersection part of this and take int of this, and you're going to get 15. Then again int of this and take int of this, so you're going to get 50 or 60. So once you do that, now we go for 80 and 50, 30. So here int of this, switch of this, and take int of this, then go to dim, take dim, so here we have a dim, go to int of this and take int of this, so he's going to get 50. Then go to angular, select between these two, so we're going to get this as 30 degrees. Now once you do this, so angular dimensions here, and this is 80, so we need to give one more dimension. So int of this and take intersection point of this, so we will going to have 80. So now we need to move the text matrix. So to do that, so first we'll go for VP, and similarly it will going to be HP, and here it is RPP. Once you change the planes, now we'll go for the reference lines XY and X1, Y1. You just click on this and click on this, it's there. Okay. Now we need to go for move. So go to P dash and you come down to small capital P. Similarly, locus of Q here. Then you go for Q dash. Then you come down to Q, and this will go to be Q1 dash. Then similarly, you take Q2 dash. Here you take Q double dash. This will going to have P double dash. Then we have the locus of Q here. Then go to move. Then Q2. Then capital Q. Similarly, Q1. This is P, and this is capital P. Similarly, we have everything has been moved. Now we go for dim, Go to angular, select between this line and this line. You are going to get 45 degrees. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. Now we need to go for P and capital Q's, and this is locus of Q and this is locus of Q. Sorry, first just go to P and similarly Q's. So go to color, make that color as blue. Once you do that, now you go for P dash, Q2 dash, locus of Q, Q dash, then Q1 dash, and then VP. Then go to layer, make that layer as front view. So once you do that, here this is over. So go to HP, Q2, Q, Q1, and P, and locus of Q. Go to layer, make that layer as top view. So now we have changed everything. Now you come down to RPP, Q double dash, and P double dash. So you just come down to layer, make that layer as side view. Once you do that, we have these dimensions, and then go to dim TED, select this, and you keep it here 30 degrees. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.